Welcome everyone to the Teds versus the Wolf Pups. Yeah, I'm gonna cook him. You get boppers, you stupid. I'm gonna taste that. Like good buns.
How much energy can you tell me, please?
100, but
That's how I got it. That's a hike.
touchdown. 7-0 Wolf Pups.
You didn't even try nothing.
Give me the ball. Hike. He can't believe the second down.
Why did you jump?
Shut the flip up.
You shut the flip up.
Hike. Hey, that's actually give me that money. That money. No, 14-0 Wolf Pups. Hike. Hey, go, boys. Second down. Oh yeah, I'm cooking you. Oh yeah, I'm cooking you.
Run the ball.
Hike.
Run the ball.
Now he's intercepted again. Pick 6, 21-0 Wolf Pups.
Well, run the ball.
Hike. Intercepted. 28-0. This ain't fair. I'm gonna try running it. Hike. Out of bounds. I don't feel any part of my body.
Look, I didn't push you.
Yeah! Hey, go, wait, fourth down. You would have won it. I'm stupid. Hi, I'm a bacon. Yeah! Boom! Hey, go, wait. This ain't fair.
No one cares. Down to hike.
Ah! 28-0. I don't feel any part of my body. Yeah!
Give me that.
35-0. This ain't fair. Hike. Second. This is exactly what happened when I faced New Mexico, East Mexico, flipping what else? The flipping Florida Panthers
Hey, what? Watch this.
In the-
Left.
in the middle fork. Like, this ain't fair.
Watch this.
Down.
Left.
So hike 28-0.
Watch this.
Okay,
Left.
watch this crazy comeback. Oh! Third down.
Oh, yeah, that was called wow. Wow. I was expecting that flag.
Hike. I'm gonna win. Oh! I scored! 28-7.
Hey, he's on.
Hey, 28-7.
He's on the board for boys. That's a height result.
Hold on, time out. What's Teddy doing?
What is he doing? He's being dumb, guys. I don't know why. He's just dumb. Ow! Guys, did you like my song?
I'm back. Actually, this thing sweats. That makes me sweat.
My ball. Wait, no, two ball. Down to
Hike.
height.
35-7.
But you don't have gone my way.
Hike.
Hey, look, guess what? That's because I'm winning.
35
Oh, do you want to say that?
Try passing it, you dumbo.
Go for my... That's a hike.
It's intercepted by the Teds. Boom!
What is happening?
Touchdown! 35-21.
Hey, I'm going to run the ball and go for my legs. That's a hike.
He's down. Second down.
My booty cheeks. Down to hike.
hike. Boom! Boom!
What is going on with you?
35 to 28.
That's a hike.
Oh, get down. What is Teddy doing, bro?
What's going on with you? That's a hike.
That's the ball.
That's a hike.
Boom! No, it bubbles it. Boom! Out of bounds for the.
It'll be Teddy's ball.
It'll
No.
be Ted's ball. You made Teddy mad. Hike.
What? Are you good?
Boom! Oh! 35 to 35.
What am I? What?
Okay, I'm back to the normal Teddy now.
That's a hike. Oh, boy. I didn't say. Ow. What? What did punch me a second? Okay, I won't get mad, okay? That's a hike. Whoa!
Oh,
Guys, I know this right now.
third down.
Hey, babe. No. Hey, you dumb Teddy. Teddy, do you like meat?
Yeah.
There's meat over there.
Boom! 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 My ball! Boom!
Ah.
Touchdown! I'm winning now.
What is going on?
35.
That's a hike.
Okay, I'm winning now. I'm winning.
Eat flips. Ah.
Go! Go! Touchdown! 42 to 42.
Yeah.
Hike! Down! Wolf Pups ball.
Cheating. I'm not cheating. That's a hike.
Oh! Touchdown! 49 to 42. He's cheating. Hike. How is there no flag? Watch this crazy touchdown. Hike. Third down. Hike.
Are you going
Oh,
to
yeah,
get
watch
that
me.
then? Let's a couple
No punting.
Yes.
Fake. Boom!
What is going on?
First down, Teddy.
Does that count? What?
No!
You okay that was out?
No, it's not out of bounds.
What?
Got him by the legs. Touchdown. 56 to 42. Hike.
Oh, what?
No!
I'm gonna tag off you. No.
Hike.
My Thanks.
63 to 42. Watch the crazy touchdown. Hike. 70 to 42. Give me the football. Hike. Get that crap out of here. Teddy catches it. Teddy. Stop going. No. It looks like Teddy lost all his strength. Out of bounds. Well, first of all. This is what happens every game. I started doing good and that
That's a hike. What's up? Whoa. Hey, come hit my legs. Hit my legs.
77 to 42.
Oh, Teddy, that's right.
one. Touchdown, that's the game. Wolf Pups win 77-49.